If you're using a device that specifically doesn't bypass the antenna, just like iPhone 14s, that like this, your antenna will go to 1 bar and go to 0. But I'm changing my voice and data to 3G and turning on the airplane mode right after it went. I'm basically doing the same thing, just on a different voice and data. So I'm gonna eject the SIM on the iPhone 14 or any device that you have this problem on and put it in my registered Samsung. Voice and data is 2G here. I'm going to eject the SIM when it got antenna back and put it in the device that lost antenna. I'm going to turn off the airplane mode and put the voice and data back to 2G as fast as I can. And now when antenna went back to 1 bar, it went full and it's not going anywhere unless we are going somewhere that doesn't have 2G. That's basically a point that you don't have any antenna there. You have to do the same things again. Don't turn on airplane mode. Don't turn off and on your device. Don't go to those places and you would be just fine. Also pay attention that I'm using a Hambra Aval. Irancell would give me 2G antenna without going, I think. I have tested it before, so it's kind of better on calling than Hambra Aval.